Abby Kamin. I'm one of the Houston City Council members. We're out here at City Hall today to stand with the people of Houston, to stand with the people of Texas, to stand with the people of the United States of America. We do not bow down to fascism. We do not bow down to Trump. We do not bow down to wannabe Trumps like Greg Abbott that are intentionally trying to trample on local rights, local control, and for all of our communities that are being targeted right now. I want you to know we are here with you. We stand with you. We will fight with you. And a reminder, vote, vote, vote. Early voting here in Houston starts on Monday. It is important to turn out, so make sure your voice is heard not only today, but at the ballot box.